In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom selection in Excel. This quick technique is perfect when you need to focus on a specific part of your worksheet without changing anything in your data. Instead of squinting or manually adjusting the zoom slider, you can let Excel size the view around exactly what you're working on. Start by choosing what you want Excel to zoom into. Click the cell you want to zoom. That click tells Excel, "This is the area I care about right now." If you're reviewing a value, a formula result, or a header cell, selecting it first ensures the zoom will center your view right where you need it. Make sure you're on the correct sheet and that the cell you click is visible in the current window. If zoom to selection seems inactive later, it usually means nothing is selected, so this first click is important. Next, head to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. The View tab collects tools that control how your worksheet is displayed, and it's where all the zoom options live. You'll find it alongside tabs like Home and Insert. If your Excel window is narrow, some commands may be tucked into groups, but the View tab should still be easy to spot. Now click Zoom to Selection. When you do, Excel automatically adjusts the zoom level and scroll position so the selection fills the working area of your window. With a single cell selected, you'll see Excel zoom in closely to make that cell large and easy to read. This doesn't change your data, formatting, or print settings. It only affects how you see the sheet on your screen. It's especially handy when you're presenting, double-checking numbers, or working on a dense sheet with lots of small text. If the view doesn't change much, it could be because your selection already fills most of the screen or you're near Excel's maximum zoom level. That's all there is to it. Select the cell you want to focus on, go to the View tab, and choose Zoom to Selection. It's fast, precise, and far more efficient than dragging the zoom slider and panning around. A quick tip as you use this: the clearer your selection, the more useful the result. Picking the exact cell you care about helps Excel center your view right where you want it. Keep this in your toolkit for auditing formulas, reviewing totals, or spotlighting a key number during a demo. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Excel workflow with Zoom to Selection.